Now, I've been in digital marketing for about 9 years, and the thing that I constantly hear entrepreneurs say they struggle with is sales and marketing, and those two are not the same. So after you create your offer, you're going to need to know how to market it. You're going to need to know how to sell it. Do you want the fastest path from planning your offer to profiting from it? What if you could turn your list into a 24/7 money machine without paid ads and without overwhelm? When you add sales and marketing mastery to your order, you'll get 3 powerful trainings that's going to help you create content that converts, build a list of buyers, and automate sales while you sleep. This is where the real income shift happens, when your offer is backed by marketing systems that don't depend on hustle or a huge audience. So if you want to confidently market and sell your digital products, and you don't have a big audience, you don't have to have a big audience, and you don't have to have funnel or tech skills, but you've mastered your craft and you want to stand out and sell online, then this is your best option. And you can learn how to sell your digital products in less time than it takes you to do a coffee run for less than a meal at a steakhouse. You need this training because sales and marketing are skills that can be learned.